In this example, we will add one more stage to the sort stage, and it will be group stage. Of course, order of the stages will be following: first group and then sort. If you would like to add, for example, match stage, then order will be following: match, group, sort. Let's look at this example. We will group documents in the persons collection. First stage will be group, and we will group by one field, favorite fruit. Then results will be sorted by _ID in ascending order. Why _ID? Because group stage will produce documents with _ID field, and values will be distinct values of the favorite fruit field. That's why we need to sort by _ID. Results will be following. We will get 3 documents in our case: apple, banana and strawberry. And you see that values are sorted in alphabetical order, from A to Z. Okay, let's go to the shell and try this. From the previous example, we have one stage, sort. I'll delete its contents for now, so select and delete, and then I will uncomment group stage. Let's group, for example, by age. So just delete this and add here reference to the age field. And sort by _ID here, in ascending order. Okay, what will happen? Group stage will group by age field, and then resulting documents will be sorted by _ID in ascending order. Let's execute this, Command Enter. Let's switch to the text mode, and here you see objects with _ID field and with values starting from 20 till 40. So those values are ages from the persons, and you see that they are sorted in ascending order. Okay, let's try another grouping. Let's group by eye color, for example. Eye color and sort will remain unchanged. And let's execute this, Command Enter. And you see results: blue, brown and green. Those values are strings, that's why they are sorted in alphabetical order. So blue, brown and green. Let's add one more field to the group. So let's group by 2 fields and sort also by 2 fields. Okay, I will add an object here. I will use same eye color, colon, and then next field name, favorite fruit. Okay, favorite fruit, colon, and reference to the favorite fruit field in the input documents. So like this, and let's move this to the next line. And sort will be not by _ID, but by _ID dot eye color, and then by _ID dot favorite fruit. And let's make it in descending order. And let's execute this, Command Enter. So here are our results. So first comes eye color, blue, blue, blue as well, and then comes brown. So you see that first we sort by _ID dot eye color, and then for each same value of the eye color, blue for example, here is blue and here is blue, we will sort by favorite fruit. And here you see strawberry first, then banana, and then apple. And you see that those values are sorted in descending order from Z to A. You see that apple is at the end. Of course, we can easily add one more stage here, uncomment match stage, and let's match, for example, by eye color that is not equal to blue. And let's execute this, Command Enter. And now in the results we will not see combinations with eye color blue. So we just see brown and green. Okay, let's go on, and next we will talk about project stage. See you shortly.